morning, about 4 a.m. I am just trying to wake up and get geared up to drywall my garage. As some of you know, we recently moved back into town from the country, and we're in a house with a double attached garage. The problem is it's unfinished, so we don't have a shop to do our DIY projects that we love to do so much and share with you. I've already went ahead and wired the garage to accommodate some of the tools that we have. We've put the insulation in, we've installed the vapor barrier. Now it's time to close it up and drywall these walls. So before I get into this video, I really just want to take a moment. Thank you guys so much for all your support with the channel. And hopefully you're getting some value from these videos to help you with some of your own home improvement projects or DIY projects. And if you like that kind of stuff and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow along, we'd love to have you. And with that being said, let's close this workshop up. So one thing to know right off the bat, it's really important how you set your screws in drywall. Using a drywall screw gun helps set the screw properly in the drywall, but I don't have a drywall screw gun, which is absolutely bizarre to me considering the amount of tools that I actually have. So anyhow, I'm going to be using just a regular cordless drill, and to make sure that the screws get set properly in the drywall, I've went ahead and purchased a pack of 3 of these drywall dimpling bits. So if you're like me and you don't have a drywall screw gun, but you still have some drywalling to do, and you don't want to go spend the money to buy one or rent one, then just go pick up some of these bits, and they pretty much accomplish the same outcome that a drywall screw gun will achieve. So what I did was bought 6 sheets of 4 foot by 10 foot drywall, 1/2 inch. And I had 1 sheet of this green aqua board left over from another project which I'll use, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that first. I really don't have a lot of room to work in here, so I'll do the best I can with what I got. I want the beveled edge, which is the good factory edge, running vertically with the next sheet that comes into it, so that our tape lies flat in that bevel. So I'm going to turn this around, put the cut edge into the corner, because that edge will get taped in the corner and no one will ever see it. All of the walls are pretty straightforward. I do have to notch out one section where there's a drop in the ceiling, but that's pretty easy to take care of. So I'm sure it's obvious by now that you can see that I'm standing up the drywall, and the reason I'm doing this is because I have 9'6" ceilings in here, and I just figured stand up would be a little easier when it comes to taping.